Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, let's look at the upper, lower, and proper formulas. Let's get started. The upper and lower formulas in Excel can assist primarily with consistency and formatting. These formulas can also help eliminate issues you may face as a result of case sensitivity, depending on how you're applying other operations or filtering. Having all text characters be the same case can be helpful. Now let's get into entering the formula. Most of the time, we'll be entering the formula directly into the cell. But for this first one, let's look at the Insert Function button on the Formulas tab. Once you click Insert Function, a dialog box appears where you can search for the function you're looking for. In this case, I'll type upper, click Go, and the search results appears at the very top. Once I click OK, the function arguments dialog box appears for you, showing you what parameters need to go into this function. In this function, it's really just one argument, the cells we want to input and convert to uppercase. I can click and drag my mouse over the cells I want to input. You'll notice the function arguments text box populates, and it even shows you a preview of what the text will look like after I click OK. Once I do, click OK, all of the data has been converted to uppercase. Now let's try out the lower formula. This one we're going to enter directly into the cell. Make sure you start with an equal sign and then the formula you're looking for. Excel will display a search result of what you've put into the cell. In this case, the lower formula. You can double-click this box to load the parameters for this function. Just like the upper formula we looked at a moment ago, all we need to do is enter the cells that we want to convert to lowercase. Since column B contains the uppercase values we just formatted, I'll click and drag my mouse over all of those cells, close the parentheses, and hit enter. You see all of those name values have been converted to lowercase. Let's look at the proper function. This formula will assist with formatting first and last names in proper case so they display professionally in your data. We can enter proper into the cell, double-click. Again, it's just a text field that we have to input as the function argument. So I'll click and drag over column C, and there we go. All of our names have been converted to proper case. Use these functions to aid you in formatting your data quickly in your spreadsheets. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.